Scatterbug here. Welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be reviewing this really small Rubik's Cube. But I didn't buy this at a store. My mom actually had this just lying around. But it's really cool. I don't actually have any mini cubes right now. So at the moment they're all, this size? Yeah, look at the comparison. Super small. And this is also a keychain, so I can bring it to school, so that would be awesome. But yeah, so it even has YouTube on it. I'm probably going to put the thumbnail YouTube. So yeah. But anyway, here is the cube, and I'm going to take it out of the plastic right now. So yeah, let me just get my scissors. Gosh, where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? Okay, so I found my handy dandy scissors. So now I'm going to just, cut this plastic. So let me just cut it. Bam. Now I'm just going to toss these out to the side and just going to tear open the plastic. I'm just going to open this, see here. Oh, it's so hard to take off the plastic. And as you can see, it says made in China. That's cool. So yeah, here is the Rubik's Cube. That actually looks really cool. Whoopsies, I dropped it on the floor. It's really cute though. It's really cool. This feels really weird because I haven't ever felt a mini cube before. So first turns. Okay, this is really bad turning. This is definitely, since it's by Rubik's brand, it's definitely bad. Sorry, I got interrupted. It is, it feels really uncomfortable trying to turn it, but it feels really hard to turn. Ow, that hurts. This is so hard to turn. How are you supposed to turn this, and do a solve on this? And this is a cool little Rubik's logo. This is really a really cute cube to have a keychain, as a keychain, and put it on a backpack or something. This is really cute. I really like it, and it's really cool that I have an actual cube that has social media on it and stuff. But yeah, it's a really cool cube, and I'm just gonna see what all the different types of websites they have on. So here's Google, and then they have Gmail, I think. I don't know what that is. Don't get me, I have no idea what that is. This apparently says Talk. Pretty sure that's another thing like Twitter or something. And of course there's YouTube. Right there. YouTube. And yeah, so that's all the sides. I just love doing this. Look at this. I'm just going to do this in slow motion. So yeah, thanks for watching this review on this. So cool. But yeah, this is a really bad turning quality. Of course, it's a Rubik's brand, so can't expect it to be very good. Only if it's completely aligned. So see, it won't turn at all. So yeah, sorry, that was just the last thing I had to get out of the way. But yeah, thanks for watching this review on this really cool and cute little keychain. Google Cube. I'm just going to call it a Google Cube. Yeah, thanks for watching this review. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please smash that like button. And make sure to go click that red subscribe button down below. You cannot miss it. And after you do that, please click that gray bell for notifications whenever I post a new video. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye! You wanna come at me, bro? I got this little mini cube. Yeah, guys, look look, I got this really sick turning Rubik. I won't. It turns really. You can see I'm turning it like a lot, and it's really good cube to play with. Like, great for any speed cuber.